Do you love watching TV shows but don't know how to talk about them in English?
Don't worry. Today's conversation will teach you exactly how to discuss your favorite series like a fluent speaker.
From genres and plots to characters and cliffhangers, we've got everything covered.
Stay till the end and you'll be ready to talk about any show confidently in English.
Hey, Sarah, what are you watching these days?
Hi, Sarah. I just started a new crime drama called City Shadows. It's so addictive.
Oh, really? What's it about?
It's about a detective who solves mysterious cases in a big city. It's full of suspense.
Sounds interesting. I love detective series. Is it on Netflix?
Yes, it is. I'm already on season 2.
Wow, you're binge watching, aren't you?
Guilty. Once I start, I can't stop.
I know that feeling. I did the same with Stranger Things.
Oh, that show is amazing. I love the storyline and the kids' friendship.
Yeah, and the special effects are so cool.
Totally. What's your favorite TV series of all time?
I'd say Friends. It's a classic.
Oh, yes. I've watched every episode at least 3 times.
Same here. The humor never gets old.
Who's your favorite character?
Definitely Chandler. His sarcasm is the best.
Ha! I knew you'd say that. I like Rachel's style and attitude.
Yeah, she's iconic.
Yeah, she's iconic.
Do you usually watch shows in English?
Always. It helps me improve my listening and vocabulary.
Me too. I even turn on English subtitles to catch new words.
That's a great trick for learners.
Exactly. Watching TV is fun and educational.
What other genres do you enjoy?
I love thrillers and romantic comedies. What about you?
I'm into sci-fi and mystery shows.
Oh, nice. Have you seen The Mandalorian?
Of course, the visuals are stunning.
I agree. Baby Yoda stole everyone's heart.
Ha, totally.
Do you prefer short episodes or long ones?
I like short ones, easier to finish before bed.
Same. Long episodes make me stay up too late.
Yeah, I always say just one more episode and then it's 2 a.m.
Classic. That's called binge watching.
Exactly. It's the new global hobby.
How often do you watch TV shows?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
That's healthy. I used to watch every night.
Wow, that's dedication.
Yeah, but now I try to limit my screen time.
What's the last show you finished?
Emily in Paris. It was so lighthearted and fun.
Oh, I've heard about it. What did you like most?
The fashion, the locations, and the cultural differences.
Sounds perfect for relaxing evenings.
Definitely. What about you?
I just finished Breaking Bad. It was intense.
Oh, that's a masterpiece. So dramatic and deep.
Yes, the acting was brilliant.
I agree. I love shows that make you think.
Do you ever watch documentaries?
Sometimes, especially ones about nature or space.
Oh, I love those. Planet Earth was incredible.
The cinematography was breathtaking.
It really makes you appreciate the world we live in.
Exactly. Educational and relaxing at the same time.
Do you watch shows alone or with family?
Usually with my sister. We have similar taste.
That's fun. Watching together makes it more enjoyable.
Yes, and we always discuss the plot after each episode.
That's the best part, sharing theories and reactions.
Do you ever get spoilers online?
Oh, yes, and I hate it. People post too quickly.
Same here. I avoid social media until I finish the show.
That's the smart move.
Spoilers ruin the excitement.
Totally. Especially when it's a big twist ending.
Like in Game of Thrones.
Oh, yes. Everyone was talking about that finale.
I know. Couldn't escape it even if I tried.
Huh, true.
Do you ever rewatch old shows?
Yes, when I need comfort or background noise.
Same. I rewatch Friends or The Office all the time.
Those shows never get old.
Exactly. They're perfect for improving casual English, too.
That's so true. The dialogues are full of everyday phrases.
Like, what's up? Or, you gotta be kidding me.
Yes, great for natural conversation practice.
You know what I love about TV shows?
What's that?
They help you understand emotions and cultural expressions.
Absolutely. And pronunciation, too.
That's right. You can even repeat lines to practice fluency.
I do that all the time. It's like shadowing practice.
Smart move. It's fun and effective.
So, what's your next show on your watch list?
Probably The Crown. I've heard great things.
Oh, yes, that's a royal drama.
Yep, I love historical stories.
Me too. They teach history in a fun way.
Do you think watching TV really helps English learners?
Definitely. It improves listening, pronunciation, and confidence.
Totally agree. Plus, it's a fun way to stay motivated.
So, everyone listening, choose a show you love and watch it in English.
Yes! Start with subtitles if needed, then turn them off slowly.
That's how you'll train your ears naturally.
And before you know it, you'll understand without reading.
Exactly. So, what's your favorite TV show?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English podcasts.
See you in the next episode, and happy watching.
Keep learning, keep enjoying.